Speculative poetry is a genre of literary verse that has science-fictional and mythological themes. This speculative poem is called "To the Chief Musician Abominabler," a Tindley code by James Clerk Maxwell. I come from fields of fractured ice, whose wounds are cured by squeezing. Melting they cool, but in a trice, get warm again by freezing. Here, in the frosty air, the sprays with fern-like hoarfrost bristle. There, liquid stars their watery rays shoot through the solid crystal. I come from empyrean fires, from microscopic spaces, where molecules with fierce desires shiver in hot embraces. The atoms clash, the spectra flash, projected on the screen, the double D, magnesium B, and thallium's living green. I light this sympathetic flame, my faintest wish that answers. I sing, it sweetly sings the same, it dances with the dancers. I shout, I whistle, clap my hands, and stamp upon the platform. The flame responds to my commands, in this form and in that form. What means that thrilling, drilling scream, protect me? 'Tis the siren, thy heart is fire, her breath is steam, her larynx is of iron. Sun, dart thy beams, in tepid streams, rise, viewless exhalations, and lap me round, that no rude sound may mar my meditations. Thank you for listening to me. Space is my home. I come to you to share this poem. Goodbye until we meet again, my sweet friend.